Can't believe it's been 1 year since Delta died. I can still remember it perfectly. Jeez. Guess I better be heading back today, son. Spent too much time out here already. Probably wondering where I am. I remember these where Delta used to cut the trees with a knife. What is that? What the heck? What the? Deltas. Wait, I thought he died. The heck? He was killed. What is this? Stupid Iraqian coming on our land. This is a free country, you know that? This wasn't your kind coming on our land.
To learn, not everything is free. Look at everything. You're not the strong one. You're the one tied to the tree.
We'll see about that when my squad comes out and catch you. You'll be sorry then.
They won't catch me.
Catch you?
Why do you think I'm the only one out here?
They won't catch you, my friend. They'll kill you. Skin you alive.
Well, fine. If they skin me alive, then I'll just have my men come and get you. Right now.
I'd like to see that try.
Fine.
You will die. Before this hour is done.
Here's the button. I'll call them right now.
Get him!
You want to play fist fight? Let's go. Never mess with the motion, never.
Thanks for getting me. I told him.
No problem.
I warned him, dude.
Now let's get you out of these things.
Okay.
Oh.
What is this? He could call his friends on it. I was coordinates on here. You see this stupid scum?
Now let's get you out of these parts. It's too dangerous.
Okay, let's go.